Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I have a huge opportunity for those of you looking for remote work that will afford you the luxury of staying at home, having coffee, and being able to care for your children while earning a earner's pay. Today we are going to take a look at a role from Roadie. Roadie is a UPS subsidiary. It's a logistics management and crowdsourcing platform. This particular opportunity that they have available is for a customer support specialist who will bring excellent communication and problem solving skills and operate with a customer first mentality. So if this is you, by all means, you want to definitely take a look at this opportunity. This person will act as an expert user of their mobile and their web-based tools, ensuring the success of logistics services and a great experience for all of their users. What you'll do in this role, you'll provide phone, email, and text-based support to Roadie customers, partners, users, and their community members. They want you to be able to balance efficiency and speed in addressing questions or issues with ensuring a high-quality customer experience. You'll be proactively monitoring in-progress deliveries and take corrective actions when necessary. They're looking for someone who can collaborate with team members from various Roadie departments to ensure seamless delivery experience. Now, I know that many of you may not have what they're looking for. In terms of what you'll bring, those are the things that they want you to have. You must have a 1-year customer service experience, optimally with technology or logistics company. Now, you and I know that given the climate of today's economy, companies need great resources. So if you are a person who only has customer service experience in one regard and not in particularly this environment, I would tell you to go ahead and still apply, because these opportunities are out here, and believe it or not, companies will not overlook you if you have some of the requirements and not all of them. This is just another deterrent for those people that don't think outside of the box and don't realize that transferable skills will get you in the door for most opportunities if you apply. They are also looking for someone with strong written and verbal communication skills with the ability to interact and connect with many types of personalities. So if you have the ability to work with different people from different backgrounds, this is a great opportunity for you. They want someone that's able to quickly and efficiently problem solve and troubleshoot. They're looking for someone that's comfortable with a fast-paced environment and changing requirements. So there's a great likelihood in this role you'll have change quite often. They want someone that's proactive and able to comfortably navigate through uncertainty and ambiguity. You must have the ability to work a schedule comprised of non-standard shifts, including evenings and weekends. This is a great opportunity because they require that you work a 4-day work week. However, they are also asking that you're able to work those evenings and weekends. And as a plus, they're asking that you have experience with Salesforce, which is not a requirement. It's preferred, but not a requirement. So again, if you don't have Salesforce experience, but you meet all the other qualifications, this is a great opportunity for you to find employment from working remotely from the comfort of your home. Now, working for a Roadie comes with its advantages also as far as benefits. They have a 401k program with company match. They cover 100% of your health insurance premium for the employee. Not to mention they have tuition reimbursement as well as student loan repayment assistance for their employees. They have a generous PTO, and it will give you a monthly 3-day weekend, meaning that you will get a Friday, Saturday, Sunday off or Saturday, Sunday, Monday off at least once a month. In addition to that, they give you a work from home stipend. How great is that? They give you money for equipment and things that you may need to work successfully from home. If you want to apply for this role, by all means, hit all of the required areas. All of these areas that have the asterisk are required areas. There's also, as you can see, where it says demographic questions. They want you to go ahead and complete it, but it's not required because it doesn't have the asterisk outside of it. Definitely there for you to answer should you desire to do so. Once you've completed the application and provided all the required information, go to the bottom of the screen where it says submit application and submit your application. That will get you considered for this role, and hopefully you'll be called for an interview for this particular role. I am told that this role does pay approximately $24 an hour and up working remotely. So that is a good bit of money for those of you that decide to apply. I hope that this has been very helpful for you. If this is not your particular expertise or an area or a job that you don't particularly want, by all means, share this information with someone that may be looking for this type of role, and with hopes that they will capitalize off of it. Until next time.